Daily phrasal verbs. You must know: take off, pick out, cool down, heat up, pour out, and eat up. Hello and welcome to MS English Diary. If you are a beginner, don't worry. This is the perfect place to start. Today we are going to learn very important phrasal verbs used in daily English speaking. A phrasal verb is a combination of a verb plus a preposition or adverb that gives a new meaning. Native speakers use them every day, so learning them will help you speak English more naturally and confidently. Let's begin. 1. Take off, meaning to remove something. Example: she took off the lid of the pan to stir the food. 2. Pick out, meaning to choose something carefully. Example: she picked out the freshest vegetables from the basket to cook dinner. 3. Cool down, meaning to become less hot. Example: let the tea cool down before drinking. 4. Heat up, meaning to make something hot. Example: he heated up the soup before eating. 5. Pour out, meaning to make liquid flow out. Example: she poured out the juice into a glass. 6. Eat up, meaning to eat everything. Example: the kids ate up all the snacks. That's all for today. Keep practicing these phrasal verbs every single day. Small steps lead to big improvement. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how you learn and grow. Believe in yourself, stay consistent, and you will speak English confidently very soon. Thank you.